Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. This is Anli Joy. Nandito na naman po tayo para sa panibagong reaction video sa paboritong banda ng bayan. At ito nga ang ating mga idols, ang Friends Rhythm. Yung tipong patulog ka na sana pero may nag-notify sa YouTube channel mo na may bagong upload ang ating mga idols. Kaya naman hindi natin pwedeng palampasin yan. Kasi talaga namang kaabang-abang ang kanilang mga performances. So this time ay gumawa sila ng cover song sa sikat na kanta ni Alanis Morissette na Ironic. Ooh. So, ayun guys, gumagawa po tayo dito ng mga reaction video. Kaya naman sa mga hindi pa subscriber sa aking channel, ang Anli Joy TV, please consider subscribing po para ma-update din kayo every time na may mga bago po tayong upload. Don't forget to click the notification button pala para ma-update kayo. Okay? Okay po, nandito na tayo sa channel ng Friends Rhythm at kaka-upload nga lang po ito 26 minutes ago. Full band po sila, no? Ito si Master Chen, si Charlie Lu ang nasa harapan, tapos si Tatay Franz and si Toots. Let's go! Narinig ko na naman yung ganda ng texture ng boses ni Char. Para talaga akong kinikiliti na hindi ko ma-explain. Alam mo yun?
It's a black fly in your champagne. It's a death row party. 2 minutes too late. And isn't it ironic?
Ganda nung tunog niya. Grabe naman. Iba-ibang genre talaga kaya niyang gawan ng cover, no? Napaka-flexible ng boses ni Char talaga.
Such a thing. It's like rain on a Wednesday. It's a free ride when you're already been.
Grabe, kinikilabutan ako. Tsaka parang iba yung pakiramdam ko kapag si Charlie talaga yung vocals. Hindi ko ma-explain yung nagahalong kilig. Kinikilabutan ako. Tapos ang sarap lang namnamin sa pandinig mo yung boses niya. Galing!
It's a good advice that you just said and say.
Woo!
And who would have thought it's bigger?
Astig! Ang astig niya, guys.
Play it safe. Was afraid to fly. Back to suitcase and kisses, gives goodbye. When it's all in line, take that flight.
Gusto ko yung gigil niya. Tapos kung paano niya bitawan yung mga lyrics. Parang ano lang, ginaganon niya lang. Ang ganda ng pagkabitaw-bitaw niya.
As the plane crashed down, he thought, listen, this nice. Isn't it ironic? Don't you know? It's like rain on a Wednesday. It's a
Ganda naman nung Master Chen natin. Ating debutante.
free ride when you're already been. It's a good advice that you just said and say. And who would have thought it's bigger?
Ramdam na ramdam ko yung gigil niya. Parang ano to no? Parang WhatsApp level up. Ganon yung gigil niya.
I was thinking about you when you think everything's okay and everything's alright.
Maganda kay Charlie Lu talaga. Kahit English, yun talaga yung strength niya. Malinaw yung pagbitaw niya ng mga lyrics. Minsan kasi may mga singers nagiging ngongo na kapag mataas, tapos English pa yung lyrics, nagiging ngongo sila. Pero si Charlie Lu malinaw.
Love is a
batang to. Nai-imitate niya yung mga different artists na gagawa niya ng cover, yung mga style nila nakukuha niya.
The traffic jam,
You know.
and you're already late. And no smoke inside
Ganda nun!
your cigarette break. It's like 10,000 spoons, and all you need is a knife. It's meeting a man in my dreams, and then meeting his beautiful wife.
Ganda niya po. Napaka-charming niya kapag ngumingiti, no? Habang kumakanta. Maganda din si Char, eh.
A little too. Yeah, I really do think it's like rain on a wedding day. It's a free ride. When you're already been, it's a good life that you destined to say.
Kitang-kita sa itsura niya na nag-e-enjoy siya, the way na bitawan niya yung mga lyrics ng gigigil siya, pero nakangiti kasi ini-enjoy niya lang yung pagkanta at pagtugtog.
And who would have thought it's bigger? Life is a funny way of picking up on you. Life is a funny, funny way.
Storyteller talaga siya, eh, no? Ang galing ng interpretation niya sa bawat kanta na ginagawa nila ng cover. Ino-own niya lahat, pero makikita mo yung simple taste ng bawat artist, nilalagay niya pa din. Pero yung version niya, makikita mo na Charilo talaga, tatak Friends Rhythm. Ang galing! Ang galing niya!
Life is a funny way of picking up on you. Life is a funny, funny way of helping you out.
Very nice!
Thank you so much for watching.
Napakagaling mo, bebe!
Friends Rhythm channel.
Hinaan natin. Thanks for watching, mga ka-rhythm. Ang galing ni Charilo, no? May the Almighty Savior bless us all. Grabe, lahat ng genre kayang-kaya niya talaga. Napakasimple niya lang, eh. Friends, Len, Chen, Charles. Friends Rhythm Family Band. Ayan. Tapos na yun, eh, no? I think tapos na to. So, hayaan lang natin. Yun, final comment ko. Grabe lang, ginising niya yung dugong 90s ko. Batang 90s kasi nalala ko, sikat na sikat yung song na yan at pinagkakaguluhan ng mga classmates ko. Ang ganda lang nung pagkagawa nila ulit, nabuhay na naman yung Alanis Morissette. Kilala naman natin lahat, no, si Alanis kung paano siya kumanta. Pero, nakuha ni Charilo yung style, but merong ibang taste na nilagay. Kumbaga, parang ganun eh. Ang galing ng version niya. Masasabi ko lang kay Char, habang tumatagal talaga, pagaling siya ng pagaling at napaka-flexible ng boses niya talaga. Kahit anong genre, sinong singers ang gawa nila ng cover, nagagawa niya ng maganda. At level up talaga every time na meron silang nilalabas na mga cover songs nila. And again, congrats ulit sa Friends Rhythm for a great cover song. Pagkakaguluhan na naman ito ng mga foreign reactors kasi talaga namang nakaka-proud at nakaka-amaze ang kanilang talent. So, that's it guys for today's video. I hope na-enjoy niyo po ang ating reaction video para sa ating mga idols. At kung hindi ka pa po subscriber sa aking channel, please consider subscribing and hit the notification button para ma-update ka po every time na may mga bago po tayong upload. See you on my next vlog! Bye!